Welcome to Zumex Food Engineering. In the following video, we will show you how to operate the master machine in the most efficient and beneficial way. Before you start, it is important to have enough clear space to place all the master accessories that are required during the operation process and for the ingredients in your recipe. Once you have done so, you can begin to wash the fruit and vegetables and prepare those that need to be. The mastery can work with a wide range of fruits and vegetables, including green leafy ones. We will now proceed to wash the green leafy vegetables thoroughly, such as kale, spinach, celery, and so on. We will now cut them to adapt to the length of the hopper of the machine. With pineapple, we will cut the leaves and remove the opposite end, without removing the skin. With carrots, it is advisable to remove the stems. With fruits such as apples, cucumbers, gingers, and so on, it is not necessary to peel them, just simply wash them. Large fruits such as watermelon or melon are suitable for the size of the hopper. In the case of citrus fruits, you have to remove the skin to avoid the contribution of bitter flavours. That is why we recommend the use of using our citrus squeezing machines. Now you need to prepare the machine for the operation process. Firstly, apply the brake on 2 or more wheels. Fix the filter bag between the press panels, using the 4 holes to hook it on. Put the head on the work position mode and ensure the entrance of the bag is parallel to the exit of the hopper. After this, put the filter in the tank and place the tank on the base of the machine, positioning the anti-drop tap facing into the tank. Now insert the shredder blade most suitable for the type of ingredients that you are using and fix it in by turning the central screw in an anti-clockwise motion. Now close the door of the hopper, making sure that the locks are securely closed. Plug the machine in, turn the general switch on and press the restart button. Selecting the work mode. There are 3 working modes: manual, automatic, and custom. You can load the same fruit into the shredder if you wish to produce a single fruit juice, or you can mix different types of fruits if you want to produce a multi-fruit juice. We recommend using fruits high in water content together with green ones in order for a higher juice extraction. The shredder will remain off while you load and will only be activated when you press the hopper into the feeder for safety precautions. Because the master machine has a shorter hopper, the noise level is very low. The push lever multiplies in strength in the presence of larger and harder fruits in order to facilitate the operation. The design of the mastery prevents metal-to-metal contact by the pusher blade travelling through the hopper, pressing the fruit parallel to the blade, up to a few millimetres. You can vary the speed of the shredder to low for soft fruits and maximum for hard fruits. To start the shredding process, hold the fruit in both hands and place it into the hopper. Using a single push movement, push down on the fruit and it will be crushed within seconds. When you change the type of fruit, you should also change the blade to the most appropriate one for the fruit that you are using. For example, with soft fruits, we recommend the half blade. With moderate and a mixture of fruits, we suggest using the quarter blade. And with hard fruits, we recommend the 332 blade in order to improve the final extraction performance. When the filter bag reaches the maximum filling mark, proceed to the pressing process. Before pressing, open the pulp box and push any remaining pulp into the bag using the brush supplied, in case you change your recipe or finish the batch. To start the pressing process, place the bag in the pressing position and fold the top of the bag over to avoid the pulp exiting during pressing. The pressing speed can be varied to adapt to the thickness and quantity of the pulp in order to avoid overpressures that can cause breakages in the bag, overflows and so on whilst pressing. We advise a second pressing cycle as you will improve the extraction yield. Before this, you must break the pulp up using the spatula provided. There are 4 different automatic programs that you can select: Mix, Hard, Soft and Green. These programs also give you guidance regarding which blade type to use and the crushing and pressing speeds, which allow you to work in the most suitable and efficient way for the types of fruit that you are using. The pressing stage is performed automatically without the need for assistance, and it will display the remaining time for the completion, allowing for other operations to be carried out whilst the pressing is in action. The custom mode enables you to customize the name of the program, the speed of the shredder, and the press and the time of maximum pressure, as well as the number of cycles. We remind you that our machine is produced under the highest regulations, meeting our clients' health, safety, hygiene and acoustic requirements.